Welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to enter a formula in Excel using a VB.NET code. There is another video on my channel on how to enter a formula using the UiPath standard activities. We have an Excel file here. This consists of 3 columns, A, B and C. In column A there is a price, in column B there is the count, and in column C the sum should be calculated. This is calculated like this, column A multiplied by column B. We want to fill in the formula for lines 2 to 10. We are in sheet 1. Close the Excel file. Copy the path. First check whether you have the Excel package. If you haven't imported this yet, import it before starting. Add an Invoke Code Activity. Make sure the programming language is VB.NET. Add the following argument. Path and add the Excel path here. Now let's start with the code. First we define the Excel application. Then we define the workbook and open it using the path argument. Then we define the worksheet. It's sheet 1. Now we activate the sheet. And now we enter the formula. First we define the range. It is C2 to C10. Then we fill in the formula. We write the formula for the first line only. Excel will then automatically take over the other lines. The workbook should then be saved and closed. If a problem occurs anywhere, this is caught by the catch. And at the end we close the Excel application. The code is ready and can be executed. It is finished. I open the Excel file to check the changes. As you can see, column C is filled in with the formulas. You can see that Excel has correctly adopted the formula for each row. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you still didn't do it to see my new videos.